Quadratic function. Quadratic functions can be written in the following form, where a, b, and c are real numbers and b cannot equal 0. So we read this: f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Problem 1. Find the vertex, axis of symmetry, y-intercept, and zeros for the following function. Solution. Step 1. The vertex for the general quadratic is found using this formula. Negative b over 2a would be the x value at the vertex, and f of a negative b over 2a would be the y value. So if we plug in our numbers, we determine what our a, b, and c is in this particular problem, and the a would be 1, the b would be a negative 6, and the c would be 8. So we plug those into the negative b over 2a, and we get a negative 6 over 2 times 1, and that simplifies down into 3. So then the second part, once you found the 3, would just be f of 3, and f of 3 means put the 3 back into the function and see what value f of x has. So that would be a negative 1. So 3, a negative 1, is the vertex. Step 2. The axis of symmetry is x equals 3, which is just the x value of the vertex. But this is an equation. X equals 3 is a vertical line that crosses the x-axis at 3. Step 3. At the y-intercept, x equals 0. Therefore, just put 0 into the function. So we're looking for f of 0 equals 0 squared minus 6 times 0 plus 8 equals 8. So 8 is the y-intercept. Step 4. Let x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 0, and solve. This will give us the zeros for the function, or where it crosses the x-axis at. Because when it crosses the x-axis, f of x is equal to 0. So we put in place of f of x 0, and then we have an equation. It's a quadratic equation, and in this case we can solve it by factoring. So the two zeros are x equals 4 and x equals 2. Therefore the zeros are 4 and 2.